So today I'm going to cover fractions and going to make some illustrations to help you visualize what fractions are. Basically, fractions are part of a whole. So if say, let's get this in here. Let's say I have a circle. So fractions can be visualized either as 2 dimensions, like a circle, or 1 dimension, as you would in a line. Okay. Now, let's say we're looking at our circle. This is one whole circle. But if I divide it in half, you see that I have now 2 parts. And then, if I shade one side of it, I have 1 part shaded over 2 parts which I cut. Similarly, if I have a line or a string or distance walked, okay, this is one whole string, cut it in half. So let's say I cut that part out. The part that's left, let's say the yellow part, would be 1 over 2 as well. Okay, let's try a different one. Now, if I have a circle, and let's say instead of 2 pieces, I cut it into 4 pieces. Okay? And if I shade one piece red, it would be off. So over 4 pieces that are shaded. Similarly, if I were to cut my line into 4 pieces and color one piece red, I will have 1 over or out of 4 pieces that's colored red. Okay, now let's say I'm going to cut it in more pieces. Let's say I'm going to do 8 pieces. I'm going to cut it into 8 pieces. Now ideally it should be in equal parts, but we'll do the best we can here. So we have 8 pieces. Similarly, let's say I'm going to cut my string into 8 pieces as well. So half, this gives us 4 pieces. And if I half that again, this gives us 8 pieces. Then if I color 3 of them, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, I get 3 over 8 pieces that are colored blue, or I can also say that I have 3 out of the 8 pieces of string that I cut the string into that are blue. Similarly, I can say that 1, 3, 5, so 5 over 8 pieces are shaded purple, as 5 out of 8 pieces of string are purple. Or you could say the purple ones were left over, so 5 out of 8 pieces were left over, or not shaded blue. Let's look at a question. A cake is to be shared among 6 people. If only 2 people eat a slice, what is the fraction of cake eaten and what fraction is left over? So first thing we want to do is let's draw a sample cake. In this case, I'm actually going to draw, let's say we got a square cake now, or a rectangular cake. Now, how many pieces do we cut it into? We have 6 pieces. That's what we thought we were going to share it among. So we're going to cut it to 6 pieces. But only 2 people take a slice out. What fraction of the cake is eaten? That will be 2 over 6. And you see that the part that's left over is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 4 out of 6. Now let's try something a little bit different. This one, Sam needs to make 4 stops along his journey. If the distance between each stop is the same, what fraction of the journey does he complete after making 3 stops? In the previous example, we did a 2-dimensional figure. Now this is a journey, so we like to draw it as a 1-dimensional figure because it's a length. So I'm going to draw that, and then I am going to make little points on the line to represent his 4 stops. So if he made 4 stops, it would be, this is 1, 2 stops. So do you see that there are 3 out of 4? Because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sections and 1, 2, 3 stop. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe. If you'd like to see any topics, please leave a comment down below. I offer tutoring services as well as notes, worksheets, and lessons online. Links down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.